It's Agent Lol. I'm in that car you talked about. I've got to admit, this car is a good choice. Okay. I'm in pursuit of the schematic holder. I'll call you back in a bit.
There's no way he can catch up with us. He has a car?
Right.
Damn it! I thought we would have screwed him for good. Show them.
Uh-oh. Whoa. It's not gonna be easy. I'll find a way to stop them. Right, coming alongside. Whoa! Oh, this car's getting too shot up. I wonder if I can hop one of their wheels. Oh, damn it, they're using bulletproof tyres. Whoa! Oof. Damn it. Oh no, they're about to fire again. Uh-oh. Woo! Command. Whatever they're driving is too strong. No, we can still do this. Is that a US container? I wonder what's inside. Look, I just want to go and see what's inside. Look, my car is wrecked. How am I supposed to chase in a wrecked car? It's not making sense. Oh. Command. You're breaking up. Don't care. Agent Low out. Let's go see what's inside that container.
There goes Agent Lol. Oh, why do the goddamn
Excuse me. I believe I'm gonna need your schematic.
Oh, my leg. Where's the schematic? Oh, shit. So, Agent Lol thinks he killed me. He already got me in the bad eye. Oh, it's exposed alright. I can see it. Ah, my skull is cracked. Now, let's see what Agent Law really did. Yes. He damaged it right with that bullet. Yes.